itong Thai.
This is the goto. One. Let's put some goto.
Kagawin.
Masabaw.
Masyado na.
So, yung lugaw natin, we have chicharon, tokwat baboy, chicharon bulaklak, yung isaw na mukhang menudo, then yung ating egg, calamansi, onion spring, and chili paste. Diba? Let's timpla it. Lalagyan natin chicharon sa side. Lagyan natin ng tokwat baboy. Then chicharon bulaklak. Chicharon bulaklak. Lagyan natin netong isaw. Isaw. Isaw, pampa, kulay. You know. This is our goto overload. The chicharon pa.